Hello, this is Weather Nuts. I'm just doing this with the door closed right now, just so that you can hear this. About 20-mile-per-hour winds, 30-mile-per-hour gusts. Well, the radar says it's snowing, but it's sleeting really hard. This is all sleet, just tons of it. So this is the roof shot, and you can hear it really well. I mean, look at it. That stuff out there is about inch. Got heavy winds. Alright, so it was actually ice, but with snow, a little bit of snow, but now it's just sleet with snow. Alright, now it's changing over to almost all snow, and these are literally huge flakes. There was no snow, and like no snow on the grass whatsoever. The road was clear and everything. I can't see the road anywhere. The top of the house here, there was nothing there, and it's already piling up. I can't see anything. Alright, so this is the morning after the snowstorm. It all ended at about 10 or so, 10 a.m. We did have a bit of light snow showers in the morning. This is just a sample. It's this compact snow, because we had these big flakes, and then these tiny little blowing snow and tiny flakes that actually came onto this all. But when you flip it over, it's hard to see, but you got these ice crystals on here, which was all the sleet, and then under that all is all this snow, and you can see it's very compact because of all of those big flakes that we had. So this really does stick. 2 inches. So that's all.